Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix DirectX error, DirectX function hang detected in waitForFrameFences, or how to fix DirectX function DXGI error device removed, DirectX function GetDeviceRemovedReason error, DXGI error device hung on PC. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable all modes. So disable all modes before launching Battlefield 6. If you are using Frosty fix, then disable all modes before running the Battlefield 6 and your problem will be fixed. Fix 2 is to turn off smooth motion in Nvidia app. So open Nvidia app, then go to the graphic tab. Now select Battlefield 6. I do not have the Battlefield 6, so I am selecting another game. And after you select Battlefield 6, go to program settings and make sure smooth motion is turned off. If it is not, then turn it off. Then again go to the global settings, and here also make sure smooth motion is turned off. If it is not, then turn it off, and then you can launch the game and check. This is also solve the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if you are a AMD user, then turn off anti-lag. So launch the AMD Radeon software and select settings, select graphics, and then select gaming. Turn off Radeon anti-lag. Now try launching the game again and check. Fix 4 is to change exploit settings only for BF6 exe file and eanticheat.game service launcher exe file. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on app and browser control. Then click on exploit protection settings. Then click on program settings. Then click on add program to customize. And then select choose exact file path. Now browse to the game installation folder. So wherever you have installed the Battlefield 6 game, you have to browse to the game installation folder and then select BF6 exe file. And after selecting the BF6 exe file, now when you add this, you will get this type of pop-up. Now select override system settings and make sure it is off. Again click on override system setting for this option and make sure it is off. Do the same thing for all the settings. Control flow guard, make sure it is off. You have to turn everything off. If it is on, then make sure it is off. Make sure everything is off, but you have to click mark override system setting. It is on, so I have to turn it off. Make sure a validate exception chain is on, so you have to turn it off. Validate heap integrity is on, turn it off. You have to turn it everything off by checking mark override system settings in each category. Then click on apply, and you have to restart your PC once after applying these changes. Click yes to allow. Now do the same thing with EA Anti-Cheat Game Service Launcher exe file as well. So you have to perform the action for this EA Anti-Cheat.Game Service Launcher exe file as well. Now restart your PC to make the changes take effect, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. In future, if you want to remove these settings, then you can simply click on remove to set it to default. Fix 5 is to rename or delete the Battlefield 6 folder in documents. But take a note, create a backup of this folder to desktop first, because you will lose all the saved game progress. So here follow these steps. Open File Explorer, then on the left click on Documents. Now first copy this Battlefield 6 folder and paste it to desktop, and once you have the backup, then right click on Battlefield 6 folder and select delete to delete it, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to create a new admin local user account. So open Windows settings, on the left click on accounts, scroll down, click on other users, then click on add account. Then click on I don't have this person sign in information. Then click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Now provide username. If you want to enter password, then enter it. If you don't want to enter the password, then leave it blank, and then click on next. And then change the account option, change the account type. select administrator, click OK, and then restart your PC once. And after restarting your PC, then you can launch the Battlefield 6 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to modify the game launch options. You can try this in launch options. So open Steam. If you have the game on Steam, then open Steam. Go to library, right click on Battlefield 6. I do not have the game, so I am showing the example with another game. So right click on Battlefield 6 game and then select properties. Now in the launch option, type -DX11, close the tab, and then launch Battlefield 6 and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab, then launch Battlefield 6 and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties and this time type -D3D11, close the tab, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. So again go to Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6 game and select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, you can launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on EA app, then open EA app, select Battlefield 6. I do not have the game, I am showing the steps with another game, and then click on manage and then click on repair. And after the repair has been done, you can then launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Battlefield 6 from your PC, then restart your PC once, and then reinstall Battlefield 6 to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing the game to the another SSD drive or another external SSD drive, and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to fix Battlefield 6 DirectX error, DirectX function, DXGI error device removed, DirectX function error GetDeviceRemovedReason, DXGI error device hung, or DirectX function hang detected in waitForFrameFences error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.